Alright, so in this tutorial, I'm gonna show you how you can fix your account does not meet the following requirements in order to play Valorant. So it's actually very simple if you want to fix this problem. First up, what you need to do is just search up your virus and threat protection. Just simply type in virus and threat protection settings on your PC and then open it up. And right over here, what you have to do is just scroll down until you find the option of virus and threat protection settings. Just simply press on manage settings. And right over here, you just need to scroll down until you find the option of exclusions. Just simply press on add or remove exclusions. Once you press on it, now you'll see add an exclusion. So right over here, you gotta press on add an exclusion and then file. And right over here, you gotta find your Valorant file. So just locate your Valorant file and then press open it here and then add your exclusion. After adding exclusion, you need to go to Windows Defender Firewall settings. Just simply type Windows Defender or Defender Firewall, whatever setting. Just simply type that in and you'll see this. Now right over here, you'll see the option of turn Windows Defender on or off. Just simply turn off your Windows Defender temporarily and then try playing Valorant and your problem will be solved. So yeah, this is it. I hope this tutorial actually helped you out. I'll see you soon in the next one. Until then, goodbye and peace out.